How's it going, guys? What's up? What's up? Happy New Year. Okay. Just making sure I got everything set up over here. Alrighty. I hope everyone had a great holiday season, getting back into the swing of things at work. I appreciated the 2-day week, but not looking forward to the this week coming up. Yes, I will. Once I'm done here, I will upload it to the YouTube and have it there as well. I know it's easier to rewatch. Okay. Let's get into it. Four boxes of Panini Prizm. 3 autos in each, we hope. That's what they say. Thank you, as always, to everyone that joined, and good luck. Some purple right off the bat. Okay. Celestin Refractor. And for the A's, these are numbered to 99. Miles Naylor for Oakland. Let's make it happen. Skeens and Churio. Penrice is a catcher. And Fergie Jenkins. Okay. Prizm's a unique one, in my opinion. I'll do like that here. Always kind of looks the same every year, the base at least. Hard to tell just by looking at it what's different about one year to the next. But for Gavin Williams, these red ones are not numbered. And Jordan Lawler on the... Oh, that is numbered to 499. But always a nice chance for a usually somewhat reasonable price to hit something nice. Jordan Lawler to 499 for the Diamondbacks. Chase Hampton. Oh. Edgar, Jackie Robinson, Dylan Cruz Refractor, and Felix Hernandez on the Speckle to 499. Seattle on the board now. So, I'm thinking we're going to get... These are Pulsar Prisms. Thinking we're going to get a good chunk of numbered cards. We're obviously going to get our autos, but just hoping the names come along with it. Williams, Jay Buhner, Braden Taylor, Drew Jones on the red, Mike Boeve. Cruise on the Prizm. Prismatic. Mike Boeve, numbered to 499. So far, numbered card in every pack. That is true. What was it? It was Leaf, right? I got you. That was I pulled the Schemes auto. It was a nice looking one. Couldn't make his way into any tops, but yeah, what the hell. Cole Keith. Ellen White. Spencer Jones refractor for the Yanks. Andrew Painter for the Phillies. And Fireworks. Roman Anthony for the Sox. Keep these up here for now, but these are probably going to get replaced shortly as we haven't hit an auto yet. Tommy Troy. That would be sweet. Jim Thome, Gary Carter, nice name for the Mets on the red, and Jeff Bagwell on the vet to $4.99 for the Astros. I feel like I'm due a 1 of 1. Haven't. It's been a little while. I know that's greedy, but you gotta ask to receive. Color Blast would be sweet. Yeah, Wade Boggs, Adam Dunn, Matt Shaw, David Wright, Aaron Zavala is our first auto. Base auto for the Rangers. Behind that was Celestin to $4.99. Put him down over here. Oh, and then before I go to the next one, Velasquez. Blue. Andre Dawson, Gary Sheffield, Drew Gilbert, Willie Mays, Mickey Mantle, Pete Rose on the refractor, Eddie Murray for Baltimore, and then top tier Spencer Jones, blue to $199. So, there we go. 4 left in box 1. Red on its way. Molina, Mac Horvath, Nolan Ryan, Eric Gagne, Ty Cobb, Eric Davis for the Dodgers, I'm assuming, and Ichiro on the red. River Ryan to $49. Dodgers on the board. Right behind it, Ichiro to $2.99. Mariners getting their vets in. Then Kemp Alderman insert. Alrighty, 2 autos down, 1 to go. Purple. Jones, Damon, Felix, Wells, Kendall George, Termar, Refractor, Francisco Alvarez for the Mets, and Roger Arias, insert for the Yankees. Alvarez to 99. Sneaking a couple of vets in there. Orange. Top tier Junior Caminero insert. Lou Gehrig. Juan Bin Show. There's our third auto, Jordan Lawler. Yeah, 3 autos per box. So orange Pulsar Prisms are to $3.99, but orange Wave are to $25. It was already $49. We have an orange. I'm hoping that's an orange Wave then. Jordan Lawler. They kind of have to, don't they? Now that they don't have the licensing, but I like Chronicles. I was hoping they would do that one again. Let's see. A bat. Ty Pete for Seattle to 49. Let's put you right up front. And then last was a red Spencer Jones. These are not numbered. Okay. So one more pack, should be no auto. Unless. No. Gary Carter Refractor. Sammy Stafura for the Reds. And Prismatic Kendall George to 99. Why would the... That's an odd way to do the numbering, but whatever. All right. As far as first boxes go, not bad. Could be better, obviously. The names could be better, but we got a little bit of color, and we got 4 boxes left. 3 boxes left. Oh, open this one upside down. I think so. I hope so. They've been talking about him for a while. I don't see too much of him play, but I feel like the Diamondbacks have a good young core coming up. Randy Johnson on the refractor. Josu DePaula to $4.99. They kind of have, but it's this. I don't know if it's just modern baseball or what. But it's the same with like Dominguez. You've been hearing about Jason Dominguez since he was 16. I think his first Bowman was 2020, and now finally he's a rookie. Rafaela for the Red Sox on the red, very nice. Chase Petty to $4.99, and a Fireworks Ty Pete. we've just been some of these prospects we've been hearing about, watching develop for a long, long time now. Yeah, there you go. Manzardo Refractor, Andrew Jones, and then Prismatic Jordan Lawler. Jordan Lawler's all over these boxes. Let's put you up here instead of Jeff Bagwell. Put Andrew Jones. That's also true. Such a huge oversaturation of different types of cards. So many different rookies you can get. That's true too. Not everyone can be Paul Skeens. Brock Vradenberg from Miami. Drew Jones to $4.99. And then more Jordan Lawler. Ooh. Damn. Yeah, his market boomed at the right time. I'm hoping it can continue to go up. Meaning he plays well, but Olivia Pichardo. Let's see her in the Brown University walk-on. All right, I'll have to double check the checklist and figure out what to do with that. Yeah, there's Hanley. He's another one. Who knows? Luis Tiant and Brooks Lee. He was so hyped coming up, and then really struggled. So his card market dropped. His actual market kind of bottomed out. Richardson, Wynn, Kinsler, Oliva, Cepeda, Howard, Ozzie Smith, Willie Mays in the red, Luke Keeschel, and Chase Stillwater Fireworks. Haven't seen any autos yet. I guess they're all on the bottom. Yeah. I mean, hey, look, when you really like analyze stuff like this, it makes a lot of sense why Kyler Murray went to go play football and not baseball. Doesn't matter if you're a first round pick or not. You got to go through the minors. There's our first auto, Dustin Harris, also for the Rangers. And Jackie Robinson, red, right behind it. You got to make it through the minors. Hopefully, not everyone's going to be Paul Skeens or a Zach Neto doing it quickly. That's true, Brian. But I mean, you can get whatever he got on his rookie deal versus what your rookie deal is going to be in baseball. I get why he went in a different direction. And Chase Petty, insert. Carter, Rally Fingers, Walters, Morales Refractor, Waldrop on the red, and Prismatic George Lombard to $2.99. Gonna need a bigger named auto or lower numbered here to salvage this box. They have an auto coming up in this pack. Harry Ford, Arias, Mo, Keith Hernandez, Ryan Zimmerman, Justin Crawford for Philly. No auto. Jonah Tong for the, I'm assuming for the Mets, and then Carson Wilson. Yep. All right, 2 more packs left, and should be, hopefully, an auto in each one. Miller, Mayer. Oh, I spoiled it. I stuck a little bit. Jordan Westberg for Baltimore. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. Just a base, but name-wise. Fergie Jenkins to $2.99. And then Gino Grover there. And I apologize, I can't count. There's 2 packs left. So there should still be one more auto in one of these. And we've got a lot of color coming up. Okay. Looks like our auto is going to be a red. I'll save it for last year. PCA Prismatic. On the back, we've got an orange. Brandon Sproat for the Mets to 49. Johnny Damon on the red, not numbered. Nice color match for the Red Sox. And then for our red auto here, no good way to sides. Giovanni Rodriguez. This is $2.99. This should be the Mets. This is the thing that really sucks about Panini. I just want to double check before I go further. Yeah, it's looking like... Yep, that's the Mets. Okay, perfect. So the Mets are on board. I'll keep that up there. I'm going to get rid of Andrew Jones. Put him over here. So Mets and Mets back-to-back in that pack. With the Sprout to 49. Okay. Last pack in box 2. All right, so that wasn't terrible. Saved the box a little bit. Pereira, Rushing, Will Clark Refractor, Tony Gwynn, And then top tier Mizorowski. Now we're at the halfway point. Okay. Who do we still need to hear from in this one? Mets are on the board. Dodgers are on the board. Mariners are on the board. Diamondbacks. Orioles. We need the Reds, I think, to get involved. We need the Brewers. We need the Pirates. Yankees, I've seen a couple. There's some teams that gotta show up a little bit. Brando Maea. PCA color match on the blue. Waldrop insert to 199. I like that. That's nice looking. Cubby's getting involved. More blue. Get behind that. There's Ellie. Just a base. Sean Sullivan on the red. More color match. Blake Mitchell for Kansas City. And Noble Mayer, Prismatic. Vasquez, Young, Palmer, Carter, Bush, Buhner, Braden Taylor, Stafora on the refractor, Luke Little for Chicago, and Ty Pete on the insert. 88 out of 99. I believe that's also the Cubbies. Could be wrong. I think it is. I'll double check it. Let's get some purple up here. Sorry, Ichiro. Nah, I can't do that. Just get another stand. Put it back here. Reyes, Bobby Witt, Ryan Braun, Mizorowski, Tommy Troy, Mikey Romero, Ruben Sierra for the Rangers on the red, Jacob Gonzalez for the White Sox, and then a Jet Williams hype insert. Pudge. There's a Churio base. Juan Marshall. Jimmy Rollins for the Phils. And Noble Mayer Prismatic. Yes. Jacob Gonzalez was to $4.99. One of the, what do they call? Are these the Pulsar ones? I can't keep Panini's. I can't keep any of the parallel names straight, to be honest. Pulsar Prisms. So what Prizm this, X Fractor that, it's all comes out in the wash in my brain. Bradfield, Jim Leland, Drew Jones. There's a Skeens base. Ty Madden on the red. Ozzie Smith on the Pulsar. And Ricky Tiedemann. Redemption. Looking like a redemption. I don't know who's a redemption in this one. We're about to find out. Onboard, Mantle, Griffey. Let's go from the back. Colby Mayo on the hype insert. Hurston Waldrop on the $4.99. Put that there for now. Alrighty. Right Sport, Right Product, Sensational Signatures, card number 36, Griff McGarry. Okay. I don't think it's, looks like it's just a base. That's Panini for you. Trying to look it up right now. Griff McGarry. Card number 36. That's weird. I have on the checklist, unless, no, I'm on the right checklist. I have card number 36 as George Brett. What? Now I'm confused. I'm searching the checklist. I'm not even seeing anything. Griff McGarry. If I go to autographs. Yeah. That's number 36 for the Sensational Signature, so it's not the bait. It's Griff McGarry for the Phillies. All right. So that solves that, except for the part where Griff McGarry is not in my book. Certainly not as a redemption. But Wolf, I don't know if you're in here or not. If you know who Griff McGarry is, you've got his insert. I'm gonna find a place to put him, just so we can, maybe if someone hops in and they know who Griff McGarry is. They can explain why he couldn't sign in time for release. And that was the Waldrop behind it. Okay. That was eventful. I think that was our first auto in this batch, in this box. Yes, okay. So we should still have 2 more. Yumin Lin, Yoshida. Yes, yes we do. Let's get a Skeens or a Churio. Oh, here's an auto. Colt Keith. Rockefort for Kansas City. This is red. Shanuel. Angels on the board. Shanuel auto to 99. So far, yes, for the Tigers. They haven't come out to play too much just yet. Let's get Shanuel's not bad. Not a bad name, at least. Grady Sizemore, Chipper Jones red, Enrique Bradfield. To 199. Vets are coming out on the Reds. Whoa. There we go. Something interesting coming up here. Let's set this up. Okay. Okay, our last auto, I believe, is just a base. Grayson Rodriguez, Orioles on the board. Owen White behind it. Orioles been on the board. Okay, so other than Griff McGarry, the names in this box weren't that bad. Cole Young on the fireworks, and then we have here Rafael Palmeiro to 25 behind the Owen White. These are the Mojos. Put to 25. I got to put up top. Okay. Rangers have been on the board though. We need some other teams to come out and play. Acuna refractor. Bryce Matthews for Houston, and Drew Jones hype insert. All right, last box magic coming up. I hope. That's where we're going to get our Skeens. Thank you, as always, to everyone that hopped in. I appreciate it. Coming up, I just posted today a half case of archives. That should release on Wednesday, if I have my days right. And then hopefully we can rip that one next weekend. 6. And then sometime this week, I will post. I've got a full case of Bowman's Best on its way. My initial lean for that one is to do 2 half cases, but I'll probably post a poll of a green coming up on Instagram and see what people think. Maybe run it in one full case instead of 2 halves. Probably the route I'm going to go. Green for Cleveland, Alex Clemmy. And then behind it, Josu DePaula. I believe that's numbered to 25, and this is numbered to 75. So Dodgers with a fireworks insert, numbered to 25. I don't have enough room. Alex Clemmy for the Guardians. Smith Shawver, Ernie Banks, Chase Hampton, Mel Ott, Nick Lofton on the red, Yoshida on the Pulsar, and Carson Williams. Hopefully it doesn't stay that way. I have learned not to give up on the break. A couple of painful lessons. But Torrey Hunter for the Twins. But I try not to give up on the break. Torrey Hunter to 299. I think my best example of that is I had the Yankees in it was a flagship. I can't remember what series. But in the very last pack of the very last box was a Jeter gold to 50 auto. And I had nothing up to that point. Carmelo, Tony Oliva, and Chase Davis. So, never say never. I'm asking for Churio. I'm asking for Skeens. Gotta see if the the card gods are smiling down on us tonight. Joe Carter Refractor, Jose Perdomo, and Colson Montgomery. Okay. Elijah Green, Maris, Clemens, Omar Vizquel on the red, Cade Cooler on the red to 299. For the Braves, come on, halfway through this box, give me something. I think we've got an auto coming up. Let's see. Pete Rose. Yep. All right. Jose Reyes to 499 for the Mets. And our auto, there's no good way to sneak these, is there? Jose Rodriguez for the White Sox. To 99. Oh, I don't even have the game on. What's the score of that game? I'm guessing based on your the comment there that it's not the great game we were hoping for. Oh. Sorry, Brian. I guess an auto's an auto. Baby. Mason Wynn refractor is nice. Trey Morgan to 299 and James Wood. Okay, 4 packs left. Let's get some magic in here. Eric Davis. Here's an auto coming up. Drew Gilbert. Jake Bloss. Let's see. Again, no good way to... Quinn Priester. So, we did get a Pirates pitcher auto. It is a parallel. I can't look at Griff McGarry anymore. It's just not Paul Skeens. All right. Then let's get Churio in here. Blue. Simmons, Wells, George. Cooler on the blue. Chicago, Owen Cassie? I feel like that's not how you say it. Casey? Might be Casey. To 199. Sorry, there we go. All right, 2 packs left, 1 auto left. Let's see. Ooh, all right, there's some fun stuff in here, so we're going to put this one down. Casey. Thank you. Looks like there's some fun stuff in there, so we're going to put that one down. We've got more blue in here, too. It's upside down. Oh, no, just those were upside down. I thought we were done with this. David Freese, River Ryan, Emerson Hancock to 199 for the Dodgers, for Seattle, excuse me. Okay. It looks like there's some fun stuff in here. Good luck, everyone. Let's see. There's Kyle Teal. Let's see what we can get going. Prismatic Nolan Shanuel. Eric Davis on the not numbered red. Mariano on the not numbered red. Okay, looks like it's our last auto. I don't know if this is true gold or something else. We're going to find out. It's for the Rangers. Nolan Ryan. Nolan Ryan. Legendary signatures /10 for the Rangers on the last card of the break. Wow. Going a small ball. That's a beauty. I don't know if my lighting's good enough for you to take a picture, but I can send one later if you need it. Beautiful. There we go. 9 out of 10. There we go. Alrighty. So he gets to go right there. I'll go through all the hits. Because they were a good chunk. Put off to the side here. Ooh. All right, what a way to end. All the hits. That is true. A little bit. So we have the Emerson Hancock to 199. Owen Casey, or Griff McGarry. Trey Morgan. We had 1 of 2 Orange Waves. Brandon Sproat. Cooler. Hunter Red. Ty Pete. There's our other one. Chipper Jones. Bryce Matthews Blue. Yeah, I do believe you. I definitely saw base Skeens and I think 2 base Cheerios. I could be wrong. But I know there's at least 1 of each. PCA on the color match I liked. Ichiro. Jackie Robinson. Luke Little purple and 99. Blake Mitchell. Eddie Murray. Alvarez for the Mets. Fergie Jenkins. Aaron Zavala auto for the Rangers. Jonah Tong. Waldrop. Miles Naylor. Dustin Harris. River Ryan blue to 49 auto for the Dodgers. Dodgers also get Josu DePaula to 25. Insert in the fireworks. Alex Clemmy for the Guardians to 75. Jordan Westberg auto. Giovanni Rodriguez auto to 99. There's a Quinn Priester auto to 199. Jordan Lawler base auto. Grayson Rodriguez base auto. Jose Rodriguez to 99. Nolan Shanuel to 99. Rafael Palmeiro to 25. And then handily the hit of the break is our Nolan Ryan. Congrats, Small Ball. Thank you so much, everyone, for hopping in. I'll see you next time. Have a great night.